Let's start by adding in a bowl 36 ml warm milk, 24 gram caster sugar, 12 gram brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon instant coffee powder, half teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. Alternatively, warm everything together in a small pot to speed it up. Set aside to cool. Now in another bowl, take 90 gram of dark chocolate chips. Add 22 gram of butter. I am using unsalted butter. Melt in the microwave in 15-second interval, stirring in between to avoid burning. Once slightly cooled, pour in the milk sugar mixture and mix well. Once slightly cooled, pour in the milk sugar mixture and mix well. To this add 30 gram of whole wheat flour, 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt only if using unsalted butter. Fold gently until you get a glossy thick batter. You can mix in chopped walnuts or chocolate chunks if you like. Now cover with a cling film and refrigerate for 1 to 1.5 hours. Don't skip this step, it helps set the dough. Scoop the chilled dough onto a lined baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 to 11 minutes. The edges should look set, but the center should remain soft. For bakery style round cookies, swirl a large round cutter around each one right after baking. Cool for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. And that's it. Our eggless brownie cookies are ready with that signature crinkle top and gooey fudgy center. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi and this is where Eggless Baking always delivers.